Hi guys, I hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before you are watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'm installing Windows 11. I'm pressing I do not have product key. After that, I'm selecting Windows 11 Pro. Now next. When I press the next, computer gave me a message. This PC cannot run Windows 11. To bypass Windows 11 without TPM, we are going back. Again we are going back. Now we are pressing Shift F10 from keyboard. The CMD command is open. Now we are writing just notepad. This is notepad. Press enter. The notepad program is open. Now I'm coming to file menu, then open, then to this PC. After the PC, I'm going to bootable USB plus. Double click. Now I'm going below. Click all file. In these files, I have one file bypass TPM check source board. This is the file which I have inserted to the bootable USB disk. You can download this file from the video description. Just right click on the file, then click merge, then click yes, then click OK, then close the windows, close the notepad program, and then close the cmd command. Now just press I do not have product key. After this, select Windows 11 Pro. Now click next. Yes, I have passed Windows 11 without TPM. Now check this one. Then click next. Click custom. With this way you can install Windows 11 without TPM. Thank you guys for watching my videos.